Welcome to my channel, Beauty of Fashion. Hello beauties, welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of nail art where creativity now no bounds. If you're really ready to elevate your style with same chic and stylish nail design, you're in the right place. Get started. First up, we have the classic French manicure with a twist instead of the traditional white tips. We're adding a pop of color to the vibrant shade that complement your personality and apply the tips of your nail. Not only does this add a fun element to the classic French manicure, but it also adds a modern touch. Next, let's talk about the nail accessories. Rhinestone, stud, and decal can take your nail art to the next level. With whether you prefer a spittle, a kind, or a bold statement, there are now let's explore the world of negative for a chic nail art. Look, try learning a technique single envelope rhinestone to each nail to create or create a geometric pattern using star pattern to the option are limited time limit for a style twist. Try incorporating a metallic can't experiment with a different color combination. Last but not least, tell and not forget but made nail made fashion and a spice section and elegance to any manicure with whether you for a monochromatic matte look or combined matte and glossy finishes for a contrast. You're set to turn head where you go. And there you have it, a beauty with this thick and stylish nail art area. You be ready to take on the world of confidence. Member the key to nail arts, the creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with if you enjoy. First up, a nail design less is more, especially when it's come to cheek and nail art. I am going to start by applying a nail base coat to my nail. Once the base coat is dry, I am going to use a thin brush to create delicate lines and geometric shapes on my nail. Remember, precision is the key here. Next, dive into the world of vibrant color and playful pattern. Neon nails are all the rage this year, so don't be afraid to experiment with bold hairs like electric pink, neon green, or vibrant blue. To add the same extra flair, I am going to incorporate the same fun pattern like strip, polka dot, and even tiny emojis. Now let's switch gear and talk about metallic nail. Metallic shades like gold, silver, and rose gold are perfect for adding a touch of glamour to any look. For a trendy twist, I'm going to create a negative space design using the metallic polish and leave same areas of my nail here. And there you have it, a beauties. And there you have it, a beauty 3 stylish nail design that will have your stunning head into 2024. Whether you prefer minimalist, chic, vibrant, neon, glamorous, Matrix, there a trend for and everyone. to rock this year. Thank you for so much for watching. If you enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe for more fashion and beauty inspiration. Okay, next time, stay fabulous.